Hi Sunny, welcome to the show. You're on my show for the first time, so thank you so much for being here.
Well, I hope it turns out to be a great...
It'll be great, don't worry. Anil Sharma always says that the duels are all about heart. And you choose roles because of instincts. So was this also like that, Singh Saab the Great?
Yeah, it has always been my way of working. I've always been basically very instinctive because I believe that's the right way of moving because your instinct's always right, basically.
Yeah.
And that's how this film happened as well.
Right. In fact, you also said that Anil Sharma is one of the best directors the industry has.
Yeah, he is.
What makes him so special?
You see, what is special about him is, his work speaks for himself. Yeah. And unfortunately, I don't know why the industry doesn't take that into consideration because if you look at his work, what I have worked with him for the four films, this is the fourth film.
Right.
And all the films were of different genre and they've all been successful and they've been really good films because there was a story to it, there was a message to it, there was everything in the films and even the song, the music were part of the sequence or the scene, whatever we were doing. So, which I find it lacking in loads of directors of late and I don't know where they're gone.
You tend to work with people, Sunny, who feel very emotionally about. Right?
No,
like you had a great association with Anil Ji because he's worked with Dharam Ji and you guys come a long way. So, the emotional connect is very important for you to...
It is. Obviously, with whomever I work, but the more important thing is this is the subject and the story when I hear it out. And even when I worked with him for the first time, I was not very sure whether I would be working with him. But when he came and narrated me the subject, I was in Ooty shooting for a film. He narrated me the Gadar subject and I loved it and that's how it all started off because of the subject.
But how practical is that really, because we are in this age where the industry is all about this number crunching. 100 crore banani hai picture ko, that thing. How driven are you by all of that?
I think that's something which has started off late now. They started talking
even
about
the audience knows the numbers of film, which is very amusing.
Because now the media is all around us. Everything is news. If it's not on the telephone, it's here, there, everywhere.
Exactly.
And they seem to be working on that number. And that's the reason which I get very upset about because people go to see, when I talk to them, they say, "Hum picture dekhne gaye, damag chhod kar gaye." To picture dekhne kyun gaye, bhai? And most of the time then, because everybody is basically trying to promote the film in such a way, they're not even bothered whether their content is, which is doing the justification or it's the way they are marketing and bringing it over there with different, roping in different things.